Yeah, it's on video. I hate you. Switch over to live yet?
Yep, it's on live now.
Oh.
Steve shot a buck up on the ridge up there. We're down below now. We're gotta go over another small ridge here, and he should be laying in a heap. I seen him go down. I'll follow you, Steve. Yeah, I think you were right at that last moment, you know, where he was going to disappear on the other side of his finger. He should be laying. Isn't that the tree right there? I'll follow you. He's up. There's that big rock someplace. There he is. Oh, no. Yeah, he was gonna come right down that draw.
Yeah, we would have missed it, wouldn't we?
Yep. He did it at the right time. My bones. See him? Oh yeah. You see his horns from here. Yep, he wasn't coming our way. He's gonna go right up that draw. Yep.
Antler sticking up.
That's a nice deer. That's a really nice deer, Steve. He's got forks on that. Would it be the G2?
4 point. We're on this side anyway.
Must have brows. Do they have brows? He's a beaut. 5.
No, you don't count those out
You
here.
don't call him the brows?
Nope, not out here. He's a big buck. Look at the size of him.
Yeah, he's rotten.
Look at his neck. Yeah, he's not as big as Denise's, but he's the best one I've ever got. Can't pass on your best buck you ever got, huh?
He made the right choice.
You think so?
Absolutely.
Think it's been a mistake to let him go?
You don't think that's the one that from last night, do you?
The one that I missed last night?
And that one that we were watching.
I think that's bigger than the one I missed last
Yeah,
night, don't you?
probably. Yeah.
Here in the prickly pear.
That's a nice deer. Let me get pictures. You want your rifle? Set right on his back, Steve. That's a nice picture. Let me get... There you go. Do you want your rifle on there?
Not yet. Go ahead, dear.
That's nice. A bunch.
I'll take some pictures of you. My guide.
Let me get off here.